Former Union Minister and Congress leader Eduardo Falero, batting for primary education in Konkani and Marathi languages, called upon the church-run Diocesan Society of Education to switch over from English medium to a local language. Eduardo also criticized the level of education in government schools, calling it low. Eduardo said that the government in 2006 had appointed a committee headed by Madhav Kamath to suggest ways and means to improve the quality of education at primary level. A report to the government a year later with several recommendations, primary among them being that there should not be one teacher classrooms and that there should be a minimum of 2 teachers in a school. Another recommendation was that 2 teachers should not conduct classes in one classroom simultaneously, but Eduardo stressed that the government was yet to implement any recommendation.
The Diocesan Society of Education should shift from teaching primary education in English medium to either Konkani and Marathi. That's what they must do. Whilst you are saying this, the level of education and quality of education in government official primary schools is not very high.
Video journalist Irshad Sheikh in Panji.